The birds every time come in of Bangladesh. This place is Bangladesh. Birds are eating the rice. The rice every times hurts. The seasons of the Bangladesh in the season. So I am now a stop. I am talking for row going birds. See for you. This is Kautar and this is bird name is Bhattamana. So you should see for you. Not can strip this rice. Not is not it not coming for birds. See for you every time eatings because now afternoon eatings, morning eating, then night sleeping, all birds. This place, wow, amazing, amazing. This place, very nice. Thank you for so much sharing. Thank you.